can't find the animals from this puzzle. Let's find them. Oh, here is the cow. Do you know what's the spelling of this cow? C. C is for cow. And do you know the full name of this beautiful animal? C. Any guesses? O. C-O-W. Cow. Cow. C is for cow. So let's solve this amazing animal puzzle. So let's put it in the puzzle. Any guesses where this cow will get fixed? Let's see. Here, here, here. Thank you. Let's find more animals. Let's see where all the animals are gone. This is the beautiful cat. Do you know the first alphabet of this cute animal? C. C is for cat. Cat. And let's learn the spellings of cat. Any guesses what will come after C? Anybody can tell? A. And T. C-A-T. Cat. And what the cat says? Meow, meow. Let's solve the puzzle. Where the cat will get fixed? Where we will put the cat? Here. Here. Thank you for putting the cat in the right place. Let's learn more animals. Let's find more animals. Oh, which animal it is? It's a dog. Any guesses? What is the right spelling? What is the full spellings of this animal? D. And what comes after D? D is for dog. Dog. D. O. G. D-O-G. Let's put O and G together. So D-O-G is dog. Do you know how the dogs speak? Woof, woof. And let's solve the puzzle. It will come here. No. Here. No. Here. This is the place. Okay, let's find more animals. We got these beautiful birds. Do you know what is the name of these beautiful birds? They say quack quack. Duck. Yes, these are cute ducks. And their name starts with D. And what comes after D? U. Any guesses what will come after C? D-U-C-K. Duck. So we all love these cute ducks. And duck says quack quack. They have different colors. And let's solve the puzzle. The small duck will go here. No, here. Okay, let's solve more puzzle. Where this big beautiful duck will go? Here. Here. No. Here. So the puzzle is getting solved. Let's see where this cute pink duck will go. Here, 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 with dog. So let's find out more animals. What is this? Which animal is this? It's a sheep. And the sheep name starts with S. S-H. It is a S-H sound. And what comes after S? Any guesses? Shh. It is a sh sound. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is S-H sound. Sheep. Sheep. So, what the sheep says? How the sheep speak? Ba, ba, like this. So let's solve the puzzle. It will come here. No. Here. Yes. Thank you. The sheep is happy to go in her home. What is this? Which animal is this? Any guesses? It's a horse. H is for horse. And what the horse says? Any guesses? Horse. Horse. So the horse says neigh, neigh, and the spellings of horse is Horse. So let's solve the puzzle. It will come here, no, here, no, 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 no. Where this horse will go? Here. And the horse is saying thank you for solving the puzzle. Let's see what else we have. What is this? Which animal is this? It's a. Any guesses? What is the first alphabet? G. G is for goat. This is a beautiful animal. And the spellings of goat is Goat. Goat. And any guesses how they speak? They also speak like. So let's see where we will put this beautiful goat. Here. So let's see. Let's find more animals. Oh, what is this? It's a pig. And the pig name start with P. Anyone can guess the full spellings? P-I-G. And what the pig says, how the pig speaks. It says oink, oink. Let's solve it. Where it will go? Here. We are almost done. Let's see next animal. R. R is for rooster. Who love rooster? They speak like. Let's see what's the full name. Rooster. R-O. Again O. Double O. S. T. E. And R. Rooster. This is the full name of this bird. Rooster. So let's solve the puzzle. Where it will go? Here. Here. No, 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 no. Where? Here. This is the place. Go to your home. Now let's see which animal it is. What is this? Oh, it's a rabbit. And rabbits are really cute. They are in white and pink color. And the first alphabet is R. And what is the full spellings of this beautiful animal? R. Any guesses? A. R. A. What comes next? B. B. I. T. Rabbit. And how the rabbits speak? Any guesses? Yes, let's solve this puzzle. And the rabbit will go here. No, 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 no. Here. Here. Wow, we have solved all the puzzle. So, you have done a great job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for learning these animals' names. Bye-bye.